Hi everyone, it's Sue, and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last week was Wacky Wednesday, where artist Rebecca challenged me to use sand, acrylic paint, and shaving cream. That was a tricky one. So if you wanted to see how I made out with that craft challenge, click on the link above. Now today's video is a little bit different. I am so glad to be sharing this exciting news with you. But first, I want to really thank all of you for all of your kind words, encouragement, and support over these last several months. It was greatly appreciated. And without you, I wouldn't have the courage to take the next step in my artistic journey. So my exciting news is that today I am officially launching my Patreon page. Yay! I am so excited. I worked so hard towards this goal, and I really hope that you will check it out and help support me to realize my dream of becoming an artist. So I will be providing a link to my Patreon page below as well as on the screen. And to say thank you for your support, there's lots of art-related rewards that are coming your way. Depending on the level of subscription that you choose, you could be receiving some of my artworks mailed directly to you. But if you would like to learn more about art and painting yourself, you can join me on some step-by-step real-time art tutorials. And I'm going to be starting with an acrylic series because that's the most forgiving for beginners. So for just $5 a month, you will have access to all of the videos that I upload on my Patreon page, which give you mini little basic lessons about different aspects in art, plus 1 to 2 hour long step-by-step fully narrated videos with no ads, and materials list, reference photo, and a traceable sketch for those of you who aren't comfortable drawing yet. Sound like fun? Check it out. And thank you so much for all of your support. Have you ever wanted to learn more about art but felt too intimidated to begin? Perhaps you've always felt it was too time-consuming, or maybe too expensive to start. Maybe you're dealing with stress and just need an outlet or time for yourself. My stress-free lessons provide a relaxing environment in which to learn and express your creativity. Most projects can be completed within about 2 hours and are easy to follow. And in fact, the first 6 lessons are made with dollar store items or even household items. Each lesson comes complete with materials list, reference photo, traceable sketch, as well as step-by-step ad-free real-time tutorials. With short, informative core concept lessons at the beginning of each tutorial, you will be well on your way to fulfilling your dream. Whether you are a true beginner and lack confidence, or you like the idea of learning more about the basics while being able to pause lessons as you need to, my Patreon classes are for you. Even if you don't have a desire to paint or draw yourself, your contribution will greatly help me to continue to pursue my dream. As a supporter, you will receive a variety of art-related rewards to express my appreciation. For a small amount a month, and with the ability to choose your level of support, with the option to cancel your subscription at any time, what are you waiting for? Now is the time to discover the art of living.